In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch your TurboTax return from e-file to file by mail and print a PDF copy of your return. If you've decided that you want to mail in your tax return instead of submitting it electronically, the good news is that TurboTax makes this pretty straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click so you can update your filing method and download a printable version of your return for your records or for mailing. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to TurboTax and sign into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you're in the return you want to work on before continuing, since some users may have more than one tax year or return available. After you're inside your return, look over to the left-hand navigation panel. This is where TurboTax keeps the main sections of your tax workflow. From that menu, click on the File tab. This section is where you finalize how your return will be submitted, so if you've already been planning to e-file, this is also where you can change that choice. Once you're in the File section, find the option that shows your filing method. Here, you'll want to switch it from e-file to file by mail. Selecting file by mail tells TurboTax that you do not want to send the return electronically and that you plan to print, sign, and mail it instead. Take a moment to confirm that the updated filing method is showing correctly before moving on. After that, click Print Returns. This will allow TurboTax to generate a printable PDF copy of your tax return. Depending on your browser settings, the file may download automatically or it may open in a new tab first. If it opens in Chrome, you can use the download icon to save it to your computer. It's a good idea to save the PDF somewhere easy to find, like your Downloads folder or desktop, so you can access it quickly when you're ready to print. Once the PDF has been downloaded, you can print it out and follow the mailing instructions included with your return. Be sure to review the document carefully before mailing and make sure any required signatures are completed. That's it. You've successfully changed your filing method from e-file to file by mail and downloaded a printable PDF copy of your TurboTax return.